We'll guide you through how to bold text in Docs. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your device and making sure it is fully ready to use. Connect your device to a stable internet connection so Google Docs can load smoothly without interruptions. After that, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Docs website. In the address bar, type docs.google.com and press Enter on your keyboard to continue. Once the Google Docs homepage appears, open an existing document or create a new one if needed. Wait for the document to load completely before making any formatting changes. After the document is ready, locate the text that you want to make bold inside your document. Next, click and drag your cursor across the word, sentence, or paragraph that you want to format. Make sure the correct text is fully selected before continuing. The selected text will usually appear highlighted temporarily, so you can clearly see what section has been chosen. After selecting the text, look at the top formatting toolbar inside Google Docs. Search for the bold icon, which is represented by the letter B. Once you find the bold button, click it one time. Immediately after clicking the icon, the selected text will become bold automatically. Take a moment to review the text and confirm that the bold formatting has been applied correctly. You can repeat the same process for other text sections inside your document whenever you want to emphasize important information. Google Docs also allows you to use a keyboard shortcut for faster formatting. To use this method, highlight the text first before applying the shortcut. After selecting the text, press the Ctrl and B keys together on your keyboard. The bold effect will apply instantly without needing to click the toolbar button. If you later decide to remove the bold formatting, simply select the bold text again. Then click the bold icon one more time from the toolbar. You can also press Ctrl and B again on your keyboard to disable the formatting. The text will immediately return to its normal appearance. Google Docs automatically saves your changes while you work, so there is no need to save the document manually.